years and of past division. So come in front and receive your award. She has got distinction for 4 subjects. Subject Khasi, Science and Technology, Social Science, and for Health Education. So let us give a big clap once again for her. Okay, give a big clap for her. Okay, thank you. Next, in Saman Bhalan Khoi with a percentage of 74.33. She has also got distinction for Khasi and Health Education. Please come forward. Give a big clap for her also at this time. Give a big clap once again. Okay. Thank you. Now, I will call open. Date of 68.16. Please give a big clap for our doctor. Okay, thank you. Now, I will call upon of Khasi subjects. Please come. Once again, give a big clap for her. Okay, give a big clap for her once again. Okay, thank you. Then next, Bandri Lang Leng Khoi, an electrician. Afterwards, so once again, give a big clap for her. Okay, thank you. Now another distinction for Khasi and electronic. Please come. Okay, thank you. Dan Pendam Bor Lang Margar, the percentage of 61.8. Give a big clap for him. Okay, thank you. The next, Iban Daris Marwin. Please come forward. Iban Daris Marwin. Give a big clap for her once again. Okay, thank you. Riakor Karbani. Riakor Sate. Let's come. Okay, give a big clap for her. Okay, thank you. Next, Mr. Enric Mlimnam with a percentage of 60.33 has also got distinction for electronic subject. Give a big clap for him also once again. So thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Now we go for the second division. For second division, we have 14 in number. Ngin Soda Shlom Jamishlom Markasa, Island the second division. Electronic. Okay, give a big clap for him also. Has got distinction for 2 subjects. Thank you. Man Bhalang Mairang, please come. Man Bhalang Mairang has got distinction for electronics. Give a big clap for him. After him, IT Daris Kurba, please come. Give a big clap for her also. After this, Risa Bajab Thaba. Risa Bajab Thaba, you have to come and receive a prize from your father. Rizabajab Thaba, she has got distinction for Khasi subject. Once again, give a big clap for her. Okay, thank you. Then come Andrew Marthong. I think Andrew has no distinction subject. After Andrew, from this student Marthong, let's come forward. This student. After this student, come Richard Muskem Carsentiu. Richard Muskem Carsentiu with a distinction subject of electronic. Let's come. Okay, after him, please come Lawan Suklin Lendok Penlang. Lawan Suklin Lendok Penlang with a distinction of electronic subject. Thank you. Khublei soldier, the silver. Player Ramban pensami kini kipai. Tibelris Lendo Marshilong. This come just a distinction subject of Khasi. Okay, give a big clap for her also. Let's come and receive your awards. Danta Meban Teshwa Nonglang. Give a big clap for her once again. Okay. Meban Teshwa with a distinction of electronic subject. Give a big clap for him. Thank you. Then Affinity Lindok Pendang, please come forward. She also has the distinction subject of electronics. After Affinity, come Nabala I. Nabala I Taba, please come. Then Wandrisha Marweng, please give a big clap for her also. Okay, Wandrisha Marweng, please come. And after her, I request Helmut Edelbert Shemoy to come and receive the award. Thank you. Helmut Edelbert with a distinction subject of electronic subject. Thank you. Give a big clap for him also. Khublei ba as carboni. Kamantangan hot ye iwe simple pass Ngidon Sawut. Sunny Jai is him. Please come and receive your award. Sunny Jai is in. So let us all give a big clap once again. Okay, thank you. Then Shabeka Thaba. Shabeka Thaba, she's in a simple pass, but she has a distinction subject of electronic. This, give a big clap for her also. After Shabeka, it's called Napi Sakantiu. Okay, thank you. Napi Sakantiu. She also has a distinction subject of electronic. And the last one, here is Khublei. Please come and receive your award. A big clap for her. Once again, let us clap our hands. Okay, thank you. Khublei kong ibalay rap man pangsam ya kanika award Nagnatai. So we have completed for this malicious students. Tau iba im. Sesumar kain kemarin di Cintau yang pada tinggal kenal pada kesempatan ini di air sedang sepi dari Jepang. Khublei shibun dengan jongphi. Khublei madu yang baru.